Hello, what's your name?
I am Shilpi Rohan Karbade.
This is XUV 700 gasoline means petrol version, automatic model. You have driven 50 kilometers so far. So we would like to ask you some questions. But before that, currently which cars do you drive?
I drive Maruti Suzuki A-Star and Ford Endeavour 4x4 automatic.
Great. So now you have driven on highway, you have done some off-roading also, and you have covered some city part also. So what do you feel about as a first impression of this car?
This is much refined machine, and I must say that this is better than Ford Endeavour. So I drove around 50 kilometers and the steering wheel is very smooth. So vehicle is so responsible that it makes sure that you can't make a small silly mistakes which we usually do. We ignore many things, seatbelt or changing the lane without giving indicators. So in short, it is replacing my husband's instructions while driving.
How do you find the interior of this car?
Well, it's amazing. If you start with the steering wheel, it's very light, it's very easy to hold. If you see this, the structure here, it's very easy to hold. The features which are given here, it's very easy to operate while driving. The display here is more like a tab which I'm using at home. It's very user friendly. It's connected to internet. Alexa is there. Music is so good. So next I would like to talk about the sunroof, which you can see here. It's huge and my kid is just loving it. We have enough space to stand here and use the sunroof, and it's very beautiful. So overall interior of this car is very eye-catchy. If you see the leather look here, the color combination is very beautiful. Very beautiful. Other than that regular brown theme which usually car have, this has a very beautiful color theme. So I usually drive a car for 200 kilometers and 250 300 maximum kilometers, and then I needed a break, but like I have drove just now 50 kilometers and I think I can stretch more than 400 or 500 kilometers without taking a break. It's so comfortable. The seats are very comfortable. The seat feature, when you sit inside and it adjusts automatically, is nice. So looking into the features of this car, amazing interior, power, I think I would like to take this vehicle to Leh Ladakh, extreme off-roading, and I think it will, I can easily pull off this machine there. It's just nice. And thank you.
Hello, what is your name?
My name is Arnav Rohan Karbade.
Do you like this new XUV 700?
Yes, very much.
What do you like the most in XUV 700?
The big sunroof, bigger than my Endeavour.
What else you like?
The big third row seat for me, and the big tap in the front. Thank you.